close your eyes and immediately shift your entire awareness to the space surrounding your body. Look, your magnetic aura is not a spiritual concept. It is a measurable bioelectric field. Actually, your biofield are currently radiating the frequency of your metabolic past. To be honest, that is why you feel stuck. You are trying to pull a new future toward you, while your transmitter is still broadcasting old files of stress and lack. Today, we reset the antenna. We are utilizing the 963 Hz frequency to ignite the source code within your DNA. Adjust your posture now. Feel the electrical potential building in your spine. Inhale deeply from the floor of your pelvis, pulling the energy up through the heart into the center of your brain. Hold it there and feel its intensity growing. As you exhale, see your aura expanding 10 feet in every direction. You are no longer a matter. You are a localized point of pure information. The magnet is now awake. Entering the command phase. Listen to these instructions. Don't just hear them. Let them weld to your neural architecture. I am the undisputed source of my own signal. My magnetic field is now expanding beyond all physical limits. I inhabit the state of absolute financial overflow right now. My heart and brain are in perfect golden coherence. I am undeniable and visible to the high-value opportunities of the field. Manifesting become an effortless biological reflex for me. I release the addiction to the stress of my past identity. Every cell in my body is a localized magnet for success. I am a biological ghost to my old limitations. My internal hardware is now fully updated to the frequency of wealth. I collapse the distance between my thought and its physical reality. I operate from the destination, not the journey. My presence alone commands respect, authority, and prosperity. I am overriding the genetic recordings of my ancestors. This is the more better way to live. As the result, not the seeker. I am the conscious architect of my bank account's frequency. I am signaling my genes for absolute vitality and strength. My biomagnetic pull is now unbreakable. I withdraw my energy from the world of effects and place it into the cause. I am one with the Source, and the Source is one with me. I am beyond the physical. I am the field. My new identity are now the undisputed captain of my physical vessel. I seal every energetic leak and consolidate my power within the now. My cells no longer recognize the frequency of my past failures. I am the vortex that pulls high-value resources to me effortlessly. I am commanding my gene to express a reality of elite vitality and success. I collapse the timeline of seeking and inhabit the reality of having. My nervous system is now executing the program of infinite wealth. The signal is locked, the bridge is built, and the shift is final. Every heartbeat anchor my new destiny into the present moment. I am free from the delayed echo of my past. My new signal is now the dominant program in my biological systems. I am the magnet. I am the source. It is done. Stay in this saturation. The signal is stable. When you open your eyes, write down one word that describes your new life in the comments. This is your biological seal. To further anchor this power, gently follow the path to our core. Become a magnet session appearing on your screen. The recording is over. It is done.